Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good and happy at home. Okay, all of you keep practicing at home. Don't remember to practice all the grammars, all the chapters. Reading is more important. So you sit and whenever you are free, just read the chapters. So children, in this video, I will explain you our new chapter that we have already discussed in our last class. But today I will explain the grammar or exercise part in this video. So take your book 3 and take out chapter 5. So I have already taught the chapter 5. Explanation is also given. So now I will explain you the exercise part. Okay. So our today's topic is chapter 5. And the name of the chapter is The Red Bird Tree. Okay, so this is our topic. Understanding the text, fill in the blanks. So that one I have already discussed with you. So I am going to repeat it again. Number 1, fill in the blanks. The story is set in the city of Banaras. The answer is Banaras. The story is set in the city of Banaras. A1. Benares. This is the first answer. Okay. Number 2. There grew a beautiful tree called the red bird tree. The red bird tree. Number 2. Okay, this is the answer of number 2. Okay, so now number 3. All the 4 princes started dash with each other. So after going to see the tree, after watching the tree, they have started fighting with each other. So number 3 answer is fighting. F-I-G-H-T-I-N-G. Fighting. Next and last, number 4. The dash solved their problem. Who solved their problem when they were fighting? The king, which is their father. Okay, who is their father? The king solved their problem. So answer is king. K-I-N-G. Okay, so these are the 4 answers in the fill in the blanks. Now, point number B, answer these questions. Answer these questions. Okay, all the answers is already been sent to you. Go through the answers. Now, I just explain the answers with you. Okay. First question is, what had the 4 princes heard about? What had the 4 princes heard about? So, the answer is the 4 princes heard about the red bird tree. Okay, the 4 princes heard about the red bird tree. Number 2. Where did the tree grow? Where did the tree grow? The tree grew deep in the woods. The tree grew deep in the woods. We have already got the answers in the chapter. Next, number 3. Why did the youngest princess rush back to the palace? Why did the youngest princess rush back to the palace? The answer is the young prince rushed back to the palace to tell his brothers that he had seen the tree. Okay, because he was the first one who seen the tree. That's why the youngest prince rushed back to the palace to tell his brothers that he had seen the tree. Number 4. What did the king tell the princess? What did the king tell the princess? The king told the princess that the tree looked different to all of them. The king told the princess that the tree looked different to all of them because they had seen it at different season of the year. Okay, each of them seen the tree at different times of the year, different seasons of the year, like spring season, summer, autumn, then winter. Okay, understood? So here we have done with the question answers. Now tick and answer. Point C. This will not come under the written part. You just think and think yourself. Okay, you just think the answers yourself. The prince wondered why it is called the red bud tree. Okay, so the question is, which prince is being talked about in this land? Which prince? So the answer is third prince. The third prince being talked about in this land. Why did the prince wonder that the tree was called the red bud tree? Why he called that the tree was red bud tree? Because the tree did not have any red birds. Okay, because the tree did not have any red birds. It was covered only with the green leaves. Okay. Number 2. My dear sons, all 4 of you saw the same tree. It just looked different because each of you saw it at a different time of the year. Who said this line? To whom? Who said and to whom? The king said this to his princess, right? To his all 4 sons. Or you can say the king said this to the 4 sons, 4 princes. What happened after this? After this, the princess realized their mistake. Okay. So this one you just think yourself and try to answer. Next, playing with words. Color the boxes with the correct spelling. Okay, this one you do at home. This is your self-practice. You just find out the correct spelling and color those correct spellings. Okay, you just go through page number 5. Choose the correct words to name these seasons. Choose the correct word to name these seasons. This one, this is summer. Okay, this is summer. Then monsoon, winter, when we wear woolen clothes, winter. Then autumn, and last one is spring. The spellings are, first one is summer, S-U-M-M-E-R, summer. Next is monsoon, M-O-N, monsoon, S-O-O-N, monsoon. Then third one is winter, W-I-N, win, T-E-R, winter. Then autumn, A-U-T-U-M-N, autumn. Spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. Okay. I will let you know about the different seasons of the year. Okay, in our next video. Come to the next topic. Choose the correct option. Some English words have always occurred together. Okay, some English words always occur together. Suppose have a break. No, it is wrong. It is not have a break. Take a break. So take a break. This word always occur together. Okay. Do a sip. No. Take a sip. Take a sip. So similarly, choose the correct option. That is have or do lunch. The answer is have lunch. Number 2. Take or do a break. Take a break. Okay. So these few words always occur together. Take a break. Number 3. Make or have a promise. Have a promise? No. The answer is make a promise. Number 4. Do or have good. Have good? No. This is wrong. Do good. Number 5. Watch or see your step. See your step? No, it is wrong. We can't say see your step. We can say watch your step. Okay. Number 6, make or do a mistake. Make or do a mistake. Do a mistake? No, make a mistake. Okay, so these few words always occur together. Next, page number 7, point number D. Mark the correct sentences with a tick and the wrong ones with a cross. Point D. D also your self-practice. Do it at home. Take your self-assessment whether you have understood the topic sentences or not. If the sentences part is clear to you, then it can be easy for you. So do it yourself. Try to yourself. Match the columns to make meaningful sentences. Match. Number 1. The roads. The roads are dirty. Point C. A will be matched with point C. The roads are dirty. Mangoes and grapes. That will go to the point A. The mangoes and grapes are my favorite fruits. Mangoes and grapes are my favorite fruits. Next, number 3. Once there was a, that will matched with point E. Okay, that will go with point E. Once there was a brave king. Once there was a brave king. Number 4, the butterfly. The butterfly, it will go with point B. That is, the butterfly looks colorful. The butterfly looks colorful. Last and number 5, Tina. Last point is, remaining part is point D. So it will go with point D. That Tina is a smart girl. Tina is a smart girl. Okay, so here we have done with the chapter exercise. Go through the chapter exercise. I have just now explained to you. And if any confusion, if any doubt is there, please let me know. In our next class, I will explain to you. So till then, your self-practice is playing with words point A and point D. Okay. And your self-practice also write the answers in your answers, fill in the blanks, choose the correct option. Okay, so and match the following. These are your self-practice to copy in your English copy. Okay, to write in your English copy. So I hope after watching this video, you will go through the exercise part, and if any confusion, let me know. Okay, so that's all for today's in this video. Thank you. Bye bye.